Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how we can take screenshot of this device. We got three methods. The first one, we have to click Windows key and then print screen. This one. This one. Click, hold. As you can see, our display blink, and this screenshot was saved in the pictures. So let's go for the folders, for the file explorer, then click on the pictures and go for the screenshots. And as you can see, here we got our screenshot that was taken with that very easy method. And another method to capture our screen. So we have to click Windows key, Shift, and then S. And as you can see, right now we have to draw a shape or create a screen snip. So for example, we can take a screenshot of this part of the screen. As you can see, it was saved to the clipboard. When we click on it, we can also edit that screenshot. So for example, we can draw something here. And if you want to save that screenshot, you have to click here and then choose location. For example, we can save it on the desktop, click save, and as you can see, here we got our screenshot. And the last method, there is the print screen only. So you click print screen, this one, and then you can go for the paint. Then click to paste, and there it is, our screenshot. We can also save it by tapping here, save as, screenshot. And also we can check location. So for example, we can put it on the desktop. And as you can see, there it is. So basically, I find out three methods. For me, the most useful and the fastest ways is to use window key and the print screen. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.